Milford Sound is a well-known name to many people. New Zealand's most famous tourist destination attracts nearly 1 million visitors per year. Milford Sound is located on the west coast of New Zealand's South Island. People say Milford Sound is one of the true wonders of the world, uniquely beautiful and awe-inspiring. Then again, according to some locals, it's just an overhyped tourist trap where you'll be eaten alive by sandflies. So, what's all the fuss about, you say? Well, let's go and find out for ourselves.
Being in a kayak on the water of Milford Sound really makes you feel tiny. The sheer vertical rock faces rising straight out of the water are so immense. One of the mountains, Mitre Peak, drops 1,683 near vertical meters to the water surface. It's one of the world's highest sea cliffs. What a beautiful place! Milford Sound exceeded our expectations. It's spectacular and unique and well worth a visit. But do watch out for those sandflies, they're not as innocent as they look. For us, it's time to move on and explore Milford Road.